Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download the Evernote app on your PC or laptop, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download the Evernote app on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of Evernote, since that's where we will download the app, so just search this on your search bar. Make sure to enter this correctly so you will be directed to the website. And now that you're on the official download website of Evernote, there it is guys, you will now be able to see the download buttons right here. So just select a button depending on your device. In my case, I'm using a Windows laptop, so this is what I will select. And after clicking the download button, your Evernote app installer will now start downloading, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then you will now begin the installation setup. So right here, you just need to check the agreement box to agree to their terms and service policy. And after checking the agreement box, you can now click the next button. And after that, the app will now start installing, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have your Evernote app installed on your PC or laptop. So just log in or create your Evernote account and then you will be able to use it. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.